Sun comes up on a dusty road, coffee cup in a farmer's hand, boots on the porch, radio low. Another day on this working land. Engines hum like a morning prayer, steel and grain in the early light. That big green beast just waiting there, gonna chase the sun till the edge of night. Oh, the combine harvesters rolling slow through the golden sea, where the tall wheat grows, cutting dreams from the summer sky. One long line as the hours go by. Hear the motor sing, feel the whole world turn. Every bushel earned, every lesson learned. Yeah, the heart of the farm beats hard and true when the combine harvester's rolling through. Wind on the hood, dust in the air, grain tank filling mile by mile. Dad in the truck, mom over there, everybody working with a tight old smile. Crows in the fence and clouds rolling in, rain on the way, but we ain't done yet. Just one more pass, then we'll start again, 'cause the field ain't ready to rest just yet. Oh, the combine harvester's rolling slow through the golden sea, where the tall wheat grows, cutting dreams from the summer sky. One long line as the hours go by. Hear the motor sing, feel the whole world turn. Every bushel earned, every lesson learned. Yeah, the heart of the farm beats hard and true when the combine harvester's rolling through. Granddad's voice in my memory, boy, this land will shape your soul. Every harvest tells our story of broken ground and hope made whole. Oh, the combine harvester's rolling slow under a burning red sunset glow. Fields of gold where tomorrow's born, from the last light of dusk to the early morn. When the night comes down and the stars shine blue, there's still work in the things we do, and the song of the soil keeps pulling us through when the combine harvester's rolling